Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the Bitcoin rise 0.7% against the dollar. The stochastic RSI indicates an oversold market. The gold got a slight bump of 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The oil-dollar pair dove 1% in the last session. The ROC's negative signal contradicts our overall technical analysis.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Oil futures settled lower, with traders watching recovery efforts for Gulf Coast refinery operations in the wake of Hurricane Ida, ahead of a decision on oil production from OPEC+. The dollar hit the lowest level in more than 3 weeks against a basket of currencies, as investors awaited U.S. jobs figures later this week for insight into the possible path of U.S. Federal Reserve monetary policy. El Salvador's Congress has approved a law to create a $150 million fund to facilitate conversions from Bitcoin to U.S. dollars ahead of the Central American country's planned adoption of the cryptocurrency.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The Dutch market manufacturing PMI will be released at 700 GMT. Japan's foreign investment in Japan stocks at 2350 GMT. Germany's retail sales at 600 GMT. The UK's market manufacturing PMI will be released at 830 GMT. The US ISM manufacturing PMI at 1400 GMT. Australia's gross domestic product at 130 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.